Hey, this is Carrie Sue, Fine Arts and Illustration. Okay, this is part 3 of Naughty Kitty, and you'll see here that I have the sketch done, and I rubbed around for my values, and you can also see the texture coming through. I love it. So what I'm doing now is the third step. That's where I've got some black acrylic paint right here, and I use these like little plastic salad dish or tops to things so that I can just throw away. You know, I don't have to wash a dish again, and I don't have a sink out here, so I just use these after I'm done, and then I throw them away. Acrylic dries, doesn't matter. And this is also this is topped to a detergent, washing detergent bottle, and when that goes bad, I'll throw that away. Might as well reuse them. Okay, and I have these brushes here. I've got a small brush, and I have kind of a generic brush, and then I've got some of the Master Touch brushes and a nice liner for going around the edges. And I'm only going to do whatever is black. That's it. If you know you want that part black, that's what's going on top of the pencil. And the light source is the same in my reference photo. It's coming from that side. So everything on this side is going to be darker and find the core value, the core shadows. And then you can also see that I have some details that are going to be pink, little pink stitches. Like Catwoman, she had the little white stitches. So Naughty Kitty is going to have little pink ones. And also, when I was sketching, I liked the fact that the ears were kind of hairy, and so I kind of kept that going along with the top of that. And I gave her the same haircut as the comic character from my panel. So we'll see how this goes. So just the black areas with black acrylic, and I also want to say that this is a very old can of Folk. This was my mom's. She gave this to me. It's really old. So I ran it through a nylon, a little piece of nylon, and I watered it down just a bit to get it more liquid, and then I ran it through the nylon to get out any dry clots and stuff like that, so it works really well. And I can also now use it in my airbrush. So okay, and then I have the helping hand here. This is the helping hand holding up my light, and there's some colored pencils also if I want to throw some pink lines in there somewhere. Then I'll be doing that. But that's the third step. On top of the pencil, black acrylic paint. So that is step 3. So see how this goes, and hopefully I'll have step 4 tomorrow. Bye. See ya.